Welcome back to another stimulus check update. Today's video, this is going to be a stimulus check update for May 28, 2020. This is going to be a first stimulus check update. I'm going to explain why some of you guys still haven't received your first or initial $1,200 stimulus check. I'm also going to dive into the possibility of a second stimulus check, and this is the $450 per week stimulus kind of bonus, back to work bonus. We're going to dive into that as well. Towards the end of this video, I'm also going to show you a way where you can earn money now. Okay, it's a way that you can actually start making some money. If you're struggling, you can't go to work, and you're trying to find a way to at least make something, this will help you do that. So watch this. This will be towards the end of the video. And also, what I try to do in my videos is give you as much value as humanly possible. That's what I do on this entire channel, all right? So one of the things I'm going to do at the very end of this video is I'm going to show you how you can save money by shopping at places you currently shop, okay? You go to grocery stores, you go and eat out, however you are, living your life right now. I'm going to show you a simple way that works that you can actually save money. So let's jump into the first stimulus check and explain why many people have not received their initial $1,200 stimulus check payment yet. So what I'm going to do is I want to explain to you what is on this AARP website, okay? If you don't know who AARP is, they're a very reputable source, okay? So I want to explain what is here, what we're reading, okay? Now, the reason I want to show this is because, and I've stated this multiple times over the past few weeks, the IRS 2 weeks ago was about 2 weeks behind. The IRS today is between 3 and 4 weeks behind. So what does that tell us? Like I said, this is a stimulus check update for May 28th, 2020. So if we go back 4 weeks or a month, that would put us at the end of April. At the end of April, what AARP was reporting was that adult Social Security Retirement Survivor and Disability Insurance (SSDI) beneficiaries who did not file tax returns in 2018 or 2019 started to receive their payments if they received their benefits through direct deposit, which was true. Some people started to receive their payments. Others still have not, okay? And you're probably on that list of people that have not received it. So if you're part of Social Security Retirement, Survivor, and Disability Insurance, and you do not receive your payments through direct deposit, then your check is probably still coming, okay? And I'm going to show you a way in just a second where you can track to see if it is coming. And this has nothing to do with the IRS Get My Payment portal. So you can just bypass that because I know a lot of people hate it. And there's a way to track this if you're getting a paper check or one of those $1,200 stimulus debit cards. All right, if you don't know what I'm talking about, watch the video I did yesterday. I'll link to it down in the description box below as well. But right here in early May, so again, this is 3 to 4 weeks behind again, the Treasury Department announced that many adult Supplemental Social Security Income (SSI) recipients would receive their payments by early May in the same way they received their normal benefits. Here's the problem. The IRS is about 3 to 4 weeks behind. So people that were supposed to be getting their checks in early May are probably getting them about now or potentially the first week in June. I know, horrible. Now, late May, okay? This is where we're at right now. The IRS says it will accelerate the issuance of millions of remaining stimulus payments by paper check in late May. The IRS also started issuing stimulus payments both electronically and by paper check to approximately 1.4 million SSI recipients and 10.4 million Social Security beneficiaries whose monthly benefits are managed on their behalf by representative payees. Again, this is something that we're starting to see now. Some people have received it. Some people that were getting direct deposits have received it. I've heard from a handful of people that have a Direct Express card have received their payments already, but the majority of people have not. Okay, so keep that in mind. If you have a Direct Express card, chances are that payment has not actually gone through yet. It will be coming through hopefully soon, hopefully within the next couple days, but chances are it's going to be pushed into June. Here's what it also says, okay? The IRS says it will continue to issue stimulus payments by paper check in June. And this, now, people that missed out, people that are in a U.S. territory, they're going to start getting their stuff in June, okay? It probably hasn't happened yet, but if you missed out on something, it should be coming sometime in June. But when they say June, again, if they're 3 to 4 weeks behind and this is the end of May, 3 to 4 weeks behind in June could be a month to maybe 6 weeks and would push you back into July, okay? So just be aware of that. Now, here's what you need to understand. What if I didn't get my stimulus payment, okay? Here's what you can do, okay? So right here, I'm going to read this one. If you are concerned the check was lost in the mail or the direct deposit was misdirected, the IRS says it will mail a letter to your address 15 days after a payment was issued. If you received the letter and you haven't received the payment, then you really need to figure out what's going on. So what they say, if you received the letter but not received a payment, the IRS lists a toll-free number to call right here, 800-919-9835. Initially, there wasn't anybody to speak to, but they are training 3,500 phone operators or representatives so they can answer your calls and answer your questions. They are hired, from what I can tell. They're being trained, so they'll probably start answering phones probably within the next week or two, okay? Just be aware of that. Now, here's something else you probably didn't know, okay? If you are thinking that I'm probably going to receive a paper check, okay? I didn't file. They don't have any of my information, any of my banking information, whatever. Okay, so if you're gonna get a paper check or you're gonna get the $1,200 stimulus debit card, what you can do, okay, this is free. It's absolutely free. You can go and sign up for something called informed delivery by the U.S. Postal Service, USPS, because both of those things, the paper check and the $1,200 stimulus debit card, will be sent to you through U.S. Postal Service, okay? So because of that, what you can do, go to informeddelivery.usps.com, okay? And it will take you to this page. You sign up for free. What you do is you create an account, you verify your identity, and then you will receive notifications anytime some type of mail is being sent to your address. So if you're wondering, okay, am I going to get my check yet? Well, the U.S. Postal Service will let you know that, hey, there's a check coming from the IRS, or there's a letter coming from the IRS, or, hey, there's a letter coming from Omaha, Nebraska, which is where the $1,200 stimulus check or stimulus debit card is being sent from. So those are a couple things you can do to figure out, hey, am I getting my check? When's it coming? What should I expect? All right? Now, let's talk about the $450 weekly payment, weekly stimulus check that you could potentially get to go back to work. Now, how likely is it that we are going to get a $450 per week bonus for the unemployed to go back to work? Well, it's highly likely. Now, here is what the White House has stated, that it's a possibility, and they are looking into it. They are determining, is this going to be the best course of action to get people off of unemployment, off of that $600 per week bonus that they're getting? Is it a benefit to give them $450 a week and get them back to work? Yes, it is. It is highly beneficial. Here's the reason why. The more people that go back to work, okay, the more businesses open up, the more states can open up, the more people they could potentially serve. Businesses are starting to do business again. So for business to business operations, okay, there's a lot that goes into this. A lot that you and I would never even know, never even see, and never even think of. But $450 per week, okay, that comes out to $1,800 as a bonus on top of what you get paid from your employer. Here's the cool thing. When you're on unemployment, unless you're getting $250 per week, plus an additional $600 per week bonus, okay, what you're getting is you're getting $1,000 per week from your state unemployment, or $1,000 per month, $250 a week times 4 weeks, $1,000 per month from your state unemployment. You're also getting $2,400 from the federal government as a bonus, the $600. Okay, so you're getting $3,400 to go or to stay home. But let's say you get paid $800 a week, from your employer. Okay, pretty simple. $800 per week. Cool. $800 per week. Okay, every 2 weeks, that's $1,600. That's $3,200 at the end of the month. But in addition to that $3,200, you're also getting $450 per week as a bonus. Okay, so that's an additional, what's that, $1,800. So $1,800 plus 32, $5,000. Would you rather get, was that $3,600 or 34, whatever I said, the first one, $3,400 being on unemployment, or do you rather get $5,000 by going back to work? $5,000. I'd much rather have $5,000, right? No, that's a no-brainer. So this is why the government, the Senate, people are talking about this idea, because it's a good idea. It kind of accomplishes both scenarios. The Democrats want people to have more money. Okay, give them an additional $450 per week, instead of giving them additional $600 per week to stay on unemployment and stay home. And the economy's still shut down. People aren't going back to work. Businesses aren't booming again. So this kind of accomplishes both scenarios. Democrats want people to have more money. This does it. Republicans want people back to work. This does it. So it's a win-win for both parties. Why would this not pass? Right? It's also something that's not going to cost a lot of money depending on how long you push this out for. $450 per week. If you do it for, let's say, 4 to 8 weeks, is not a lot of money. Well, it's a lot. It's billions and billions of dollars. It's a lot of money to you and I, but to the U.S. government, it's not a lot of money to get the economy back open, to get the world kind of working again, the U.S. kind of working again. It's not that much money. So that's why I think this will. It does have legs. It is something that's being talked about. As far as the likelihood of it happening and how quickly, nobody knows. But it would have to happen fairly quickly, because we only have 2 months more of this additional $600, additional unemployment benefit. Okay, so if you want that $600 unemployment kind of bonus on top of your state unemployment, that runs out on July 31st. So we are at the end of May. So that means we have 2 months left of that additional $600 in unemployment. But they can cut that out. They could get rid of that and get people back to work much faster if they just introduce this $450 per week stimulus payment or stimulus bonus, right? So that's one thing I just wanted to address. Also, is there a possibility of another $1,200 stimulus check? I believe there is. I believe there is going to be some type of lump sum payment. Do I think it's going to be a lump sum payment in addition to a $450 stimulus bonus to get back to work? I don't. I think, as of right now, could we receive a $1,200 stimulus check quickly? Yes, we could. That additional $450, I think it could be cut back. I think it could be closer to like $250, an additional added bonus. Again, it's an added bonus. It's incentive to get you back to work. So if you are currently unemployed, hopefully you're getting unemployment benefits. If not, try, just attempt it, see what happens. Don't lie, but attempt, do it, legally, do it right, and see if you qualify for your state unemployment. If you do, you'll get state unemployment plus that additional $600 per week added bonus. And the cool thing is, if you haven't been working for 2 months, it's all retroactive. You can go and apply for 2 months ago, and they'll pay you everything up until now. And then you just keep applying as the weeks progress. All right. So that's one thing I just want you to know and understand is there is a high possibility of a $450 per week stimulus bonus to get back to work. And there's also a high likelihood of a $1,200 stimulus check, the second stimulus check. That, again, if you haven't received the first one, you probably could care less about the second one. But there is a high likelihood that a second one is coming. So remember how I told you in the beginning of this video that I want to show you a way where you can actually make money now. Well, this is how you can do it. Look right here. This is the DollarTree.com website. If you have a Dollar Tree, Dollar Store, Dollar General, Dollar Plus, whatever your dollar store is in your local town or city, what you can do is you can go to the store. Okay, buy these little figurines, these little Paw Patrol figurines. Okay, and this isn't the only thing you can buy. You can buy these things and sell them on eBay. You're probably thinking, well, there's probably not a lot of money. Everybody knows you can just buy this stuff at the dollar store. Well, did you know this? Did you realize you can buy this stuff at the dollar store and sell it online? Did you also realize some people do not want to go out because of the virus? Did you also realize some people do not have a dollar store in their local town? You're probably thinking, I don't think we have a dollar store. Well, here's the cool thing. If you do, and this doesn't just work at the dollar store, it works at the dollar store, Office Depot, Target, Walmart, Costco, works anywhere. You can go into these stores and find products like this one. Okay, you buy these for $1. That's $6, right? Pay $6 for that thing. And look here. This thing currently sold yesterday. This exact same set. Let me show you. Here it is right here. Okay, these are the little figurines. Okay, this exact same set sold for $11.89. So after fees, let's say $2. So you're at like let's say $9.75. Okay, you also pay $6 for the item. That's now you're at what, $3.85. Okay, and then shipping is gonna be very cheap, right? So you're gonna make like $2. You spend $6, make $2. That's not bad. You make about 33% return on investment. Okay, let's say you sold $100. That means you're gonna make 33%. You make about $33. Spend $100, make $33 in profit, so you can get back $133. Okay, it's just another simple way to make some money. Okay, but again, this doesn't just have to be these toys. They got other things. Okay, I've sold stuff like little action figures. I've sold books. I've sold Power Rangers, Paw Patrol. Obviously, sold little cars, little things like this. They have, products like, let's see, allergy. Okay, medicine. I'm just gonna type allergy medicine in. Okay, and look at this. Maybe I should just type allergy. Okay, allergy. There we go. I've sold allergy stuff. I don't know why it's showing me that. Anyway, okay, but this is what you can do. Just go onto the Dollar Tree, go onto Dollar General, wherever. Go to your store and find stuff to resell on eBay, because you can make some money doing this. Now, this is something that I teach in a lot of some of my courses and stuff, and it can really get complex. You can really make a lot of money, turn this into full-time income. But again, this is just one way to start. All right, just go on to Dollar Tree and just find stuff, and then go on to eBay. Okay, let me show you what I do. Go up to eBay, click on the advanced button over on the right of the search bar. Type in, let's say, allergy medicine. Okay, let's say that's what I want to sell. Going to click sold listings, and you're going to click on new. Okay, click search, and now it's going to give you a list of all the stuff that has sold. Okay, when it sold, the date, the time, how much it sold for. If it's green, it means it's sold. You can see here. Okay, look at this. Kirkland allergy medicine for $11.99. I think this sells for $7.95 at Costco, but I could be wrong. Okay, but just go and look. That's all you have to do. Now, I want to show you one other thing. I told you I'm going to show you how you can make some money now, which I just did. But I also want to show you how you can save money by shopping at places you are currently shopping at right now. So look at this. There's a website out there. It's called Raise.com. On Raise.com, what you do is you buy discounted gift cards. You buy a gift card from somebody else, from another company that has discounted the card. Right? Let me show you what I mean. Let's say you want to go out and eat, but you don't want to spend all your money to go out and eat. What you can do, okay, so I'm going to sort these by highest discount. What you can do is you can go on to Raise.com and buy gift cards from these different places that will actually save you money. Okay, so let's say you want to go to Ruby Tuesdays. Cool. I want to go to Ruby Tuesdays and get something to eat, because it's probably going to be for takeout only. Okay, so if I go to Ruby Tuesdays right now, I can buy a $15 gift card, and it only cost me $11.88. Cool. All right, that's not bad. But let's say I don't have a Ruby Tuesdays. Well, where else could I go? Let's say you want to go get some donuts at Krispy Kreme. Awesome. Okay, now you're thinking, okay, I don't want to spend all my money buying donuts. Well, you can buy a $10 gift card, so you can get $10 in value, and it only costs you $7.98. Not bad. Well, you don't want that. You don't want donuts. Nobody's gonna get donuts, right? let's say you want to go to, where else could we go? Let's just type in Applebee's. There we go. So you go to Applebee's all the time. You just love Applebee's, love their steaks, love their riblet baskets, right? So you can buy this $50 gift card, and it only costs you $46.92. That's not bad. But what if you have a credit card that gives you 2% cash back? That means, in addition, you spend $46, but you also get 2% cash back. So it's going to give you like $1 something. So in addition to that, instead of spending $46.91, you're going to spend close to like $45.50 on this gift card, right? And the cool thing is, it's a $50 gift card, so you're already saving money. That's just one way you can save money right now. Here's another thing, okay? Refer a friend. Give somebody $5, and you also get $5. So come on here, okay? I'm not even gonna put my link down in the description box below. Just go to raise.com, okay? I'm not trying to profit off of this, okay? Normally I would put my link so that I get $5 when you sign up, but I'm not gonna do that, okay? Just go, sign up. You're gonna get automatically $5. But the cool thing about this, okay? New members get a special 10% off site-wide with the code FIRST, okay? So if you go and buy this $50 gift card right here, you also can get an additional $10 off. So that means $5 off, or 10% off. That means $5 off that price. So this can come down to like $40. $40 for a $50 gift card. That's what I'm talking about, a different way to save some money. At the same time, you just earn some money by going to shopping at the Dollar Tree, making some money there, but now you're going to save your money, your hard-earned money, by buying the stuff that you currently buy. Let's say you don't want to go and get anything like that, okay? Maybe, okay, right now you're too worried about fixing up your house. Maybe you want to fix up your house or whatever, right? Let's just go right back to Raise, and we'll come down the list, okay? Let me show you this. Look at all these. Walmart, you can save up to 2.5%. Southwest Airlines, probably not traveling, but you can save 6.86. Lowe's, 4.85. Okay? Sears, 3.5. Starbucks, okay, 7%. Target, 1%. I'd get a Target Red card, save you a little bit more, but there you go. Okay? You can see up here, there's a lot of ways you can save money. It doesn't matter. It's not just on food. It's on apparel. It's on travel. It's on everything. So use this to start saving money today. So there you guys go. We already talked about the first stimulus check, why you haven't received it yet, how far the IRS is behind. Okay, they're trying to catch up, but like you and I, okay, they are working at a slower pace because they don't have as many people actually working. They have to stick to social distancing as well. Okay, their office isn't filled, to the brim with all their employees. It's just not. We also talked about the possibility of an additional stimulus check, the additional $1,200, plus that additional $450 back to work stimulus bonus. Okay, we addressed that as well. We also showed you how you can earn money now by shopping at some of these retail stores. You can even shop at thrift stores. You can shop at yard sales. You can even take stuff out of your own attic or garage and sell it on eBay for some quick money. I highly recommend selling on eBay right now because so many people, they're being closed out of their retail stores. They can't go into their retail stores. They can't go and buy clothing or shoes and stuff that's not essential. So what do if they really need it? They really need that new pair of shoes? Well, all the shoe stores are closed, so what do they have to do? They buy it online. They can buy it on Amazon. They can buy it on eBay. They can go to Facebook. They can go to Mercari. They can go to all these different places. But what do most people do that are trying to hold on to as much money as possible? They don't go to Amazon and pay for the same thing but an overpriced item. They'd rather go to eBay, potentially buy a used item to save them 50%, but they get the exact same item that they're really looking for. So that's why I recommend eBay right now. And the last thing I showed you is how you can save money by shopping at raise.com. If you think that I really want to go to McDonald's, but I don't want to spend $15 on 2 meals for my wife and I, maybe I'll just go and get a discounted gift card, save 8%, 10%, whatever it is right now, I can't remember. But so you can save 8%. All right, cool. I'm going to go and spend like, $14. I'm going to save like $1, but that's not bad. I'm going to save a little bit of money by buying this discounted gift card, and go shop and go eat at the same restaurant I would have, and I'm already happier because I'm saving money. Awesome. So you learned all that stuff in today's video. If you have any questions on any of it, let me know down in the comment section below. You can always ask your questions. I'll try to help you out the best that I can. Now, if you have a very specific question on how to make money or how to save money, you can always send me an email at homemade-entrepreneur@gmail.com and I'll answer you there. So like always, thanks for watching this video. I'm glad to have you here. If you enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up button and also consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of my additional uploads. But last thing I ask is, again, if you have questions, I'm here to help you out. All you gotta do, go down in the comment section, ask your question down there, and I will help you. But thanks for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.